To check your account balance on YNAB, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily and find your balance quickly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the YNAB website or open the YNAB app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to accounts. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Assert to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your account. From the list of accounts, choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. Click on the account name to open its details. Step 4. View balance. In the account details view, you will see your current balance displayed prominently. This will show you the total amount available in that account. Step 5. Review transactions. If you want to see more details, scroll down to view recent transactions associated with that account. This will give you a better understanding of your spending and balance changes. Now you can easily check your account balance on YNAB. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances more effectively.